Hiya, so today we've got a tool unwrapping and just the one restoration later on, but it is a nice one. Anybody that just wants to watch restorations with none of the unwrapping, none of the blabber, check out my other channel where I occasionally add silent-ish or fully silent videos. That's Handy Dad Workshop. I'll put that little eye thing above and I'll put a link at the end and underneath. So check that out if you just want to watch quickish restorations. And subscribe and all that. So first to be unwrapped is this display and this Telcon beryllium. That's copper bronze ring spanner. Moving on. Three nice rusty adjustable spanners. A proto click stop. That's about 3 of them I've got in the last 3 weeks. A Dowie Dat, little one, German, quite strong. And a Barco 71, quite abused. It's got dents in it, it's twisted, it's bananaed. Look at that, that's going to have to go on the hydraulic press at some point in the near future. Oh, anyone like me new tattoos inspired by Ben at Tool Addict? Now, this was sold as spares or repair, and I think you can see why. I can see why. Don't think there's a straight bit on it. Jaws hanging off, wobbly. Tommy bars twisted. Tommy bars missing, and the clamp end's missing. So apart from that, looks like a good little vice, doesn't it? Bit rusty there, might not slide. Look into that in the very, very near future. On to the star of today's show now. This is, if it's the right spanner, it is indeed. This is a little old Garrington. But it's not a jackdaw. It's not a red diamond. I'm going to have to look into this. It is a falcon. Never seen one, didn't know they existed, just assumed they were all jackdaws. Been and checked out on one of the most informative garrington sites, and it's missing from the list, so even they didn't know about it. So I'm going to drop in the silence in a minute. First of all, giving it a good old clean on the wire wheel. Then I'm going to take it over to the fibre wheel, take out any marks that's on the edges and the jaws. Then it's going to go onto the 3M wheels, the red one, and I'll finish it off with a polish and a buff. Right, leave you to watch the rest on your own. So that turned out quite well, didn't it? I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased with everything. Right, don't forget my other channel, Handy Dad Workshop, for quick old restores with no gabbering. And finally, I'll finish up with a picture of all three, the Jackdaw, Red Diamond and the Falcon Spanners. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!